of the Sun. For our model, this one is 165.1 millimeters in diameter. The nearest planet to it is Mercury, way over there.
Alright, this is Mercury. It is 5 millimeters in diameter, and it is 6.87 meters from the Sun. The next planet is Venus.
This is Venus. Our version is 1.4 millimeters in diameter, and it is 12.82 meters from the Sun, and it's 5.12 meters away from the next planet, from the previous planet.
Alright.
Alright, this planet is Earth. It is 1.5 millimeters in diameter. It's 17.74 meters from the Sun. What's that?
It's from the previous planet.
Oh, the previous planet is 4.92 meters
Away.
closer to the Sun.
Away.
Because if it's away, then it changes. It changes throughout the year because they're not all rotating in a straight line. This is actually, like, do the planets ever line up? I need to research that.
Yes, we do.
Like once every 2 trillion years.
Okay, next planet. Yes, I am a spaceship. I'm an awesome spaceship. I am traveling throughout the throughout the solar system.
This is Mars. It's only 0.8 millimeters in diameter, so it's actually a lot smaller than the Earth. It's 27.02 meters from the Sun, and the previous planet is about 9.28 meters away if we take orbit out of account.
And the next planet is
The next planet is
Jupiter.
way over there.
It's
Between
Jupiter.
here, there is an asteroid.
Asteroid belt.
And then once you pass the asteroid belt, you hit the frost line. And then eventually, you'll someday hit Jupiter.
We're going to want to speed this part up.
Once comets cross the frost line, they get tails.
Indeed.
Until then, they're just floating balls of snowballness, like Pluto.
Indeed.
But Pluto doesn't get closer to the Sun than Jupiter, so it doesn't ever cross the frost line. Won't get a tail. Why is she ready to head to Jupiter when I'm the one who has Jupiter?
Well, she has the other planet.
Oh, there we go. Alright, here we are, finally, at Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Notice my beautiful red spot. Okay.
Beautiful red spot.
Okay. Jupiter. It's 16.9 millimeters in diameter in this scale. It's 92.3 meters from the Sun, and it's 65.28 meters further away from the Sun than Mars was. Right?
Yes.
There we go.
Alright. There we go.
And then someday maybe we'll catch up to.
And yeah, someday we'll catch up to the next planet, which is clear in the heck all the way over there. I don't think any spaceship could do this as fast as we're doing this right now.
You got to Earth faster than light. Light takes 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth.
Woohoo! Fun facts!
Okay, these facts are like super, like, rounded. These are not exact.
That makes sense.
Roughly 8 light minutes between Earth and the Sun, which is 1 astronomical unit.
Okay. Don't worry, we're almost there.
We're coming!
That's how big the solar system really is, folks.
Well, yeah. Ish.
Venus and Mercury are the only planets that don't have moons.
Ta-da!
I want you to turn around for a minute. See that stop sign? That's where the sun's supposed to be.
Let's see if we can zoom in on the stop sign. We cannot see the stop sign with the camera, but we can see the stop sign from where we are. But yeah, that's basically it. Anyway, turning our attention over to the Saturn.
It's 13.8 millimeters in diameter, and it's 169.26 meters from the sun. The previous planet, if they all were in a straight line, more or less, it'd be about 76.96 meters from the previous planet, which is Jupiter.
Indeed. And if you see Bethany running all the way down there, she will be our next planet in this weirdly, small solar system.
Weirdly small. You know what? Elementary school children's skills curse you. Just curse you. Those adorable little hangers. No. Just no.
Indeed. Do you have any fun space facts?
I'm sorry, I haven't studied astronomy. I haven't even studied astrology. I just know what the signs are.
Oh, interesting.
And I know the order they come in.
Oh, that's cool. I do not, so.
Starting with Aquarius, just because. No, you start with Aries. We'll start with Aries. Going from there, we've got Aries, which then goes into Taurus, then Gemini, then Leo, then Virgo, then we go into Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and end with Pisces.
Woohoo! And that, my friends, is the order of the astrological signs, yes.
Which, to be specific, are the stars, constellations that are in the path of the sun. And I think nowadays it's a little off, if you listen to what Bethany says, because everything in our solar system is constantly moving. It's not like we're on a sort of roller coaster track that keeps us in the same spot.
I think she moved past the X.
I think she might have as well.
We might have to call her back. You see, we made these little marks on the ground showing, you know, where things are.
Well, it's so vast, it's easy to get lost. But perhaps she's close?
I know, it's up here by the sidewalk up here. Hey, Bethany! Went too far!
Maybe she accidentally skipped Uranus.
Oopsie.
Bethany!
Come back! Wait, did you find it?
No, did you find it?
She didn't stop at the next planet. It's right here.
You found it? Where?
It should be right around here.
Where?
Right there.
Run, Bethany!
We'll take a commercial break until... And we're back.
Okay, sorry about that. This is Uranus. It is 5.5 millimeters in diameter in this scale. It's 340.46 meters from the sun. And without my glasses, I can't even see that from here. It's also 171.2 meters from the previous planet's orbit, or radius. Is that making sense? Okay.
Yep.
Uranus and Neptune are blue because of methane in their atmospheres. I guess you can call it an atmosphere. They also don't have stripes like Saturn and Jupiter do because they're small enough that they've cooled off and they don't have enough heat radiating out from the surface or from their cores to cause the convection currents that cause the stripy clouds on Jupiter and Saturn. So that's why they are solid instead of stripy.
Cool. Alright. Well, let's go over to the next one, which is clearing the heck over there. Isn't that one Neptune?
Yes. This one's Uranus, the next one's Neptune.
Alright. There's Bethany, walking all the way across over there. And she's even going to cross the street.
And you have to keep the camera on the whole time so you can see all the beautiful, big, long distances. The planets get further and further spaced the further out you get.
I believe we're going to speed this up. So, let's call it a speed up button. It'll be great. You won't even know what we're talking about because it'll go so fast it will just sound like gibberish.
But I still want to put all my points in there.
Alrighty. This is working out fairly well.
The asteroid belt would have been its own planet if it didn't have so many gravity issues with Jupiter right behind it. So it keeps, like all the planets could have been an asteroid belt unto themselves, and then they could have gathered into planets. But because of the place that the asteroid belt is in, it gets pulled apart so it doesn't ever form an entire planet. The biggest asteroid we know of is like Ceres, however you say that. It's another dwarf planet, kind of like Pluto. It has enough gravity to pull itself into shape, but it's not big enough to clear its orbit of obviously all the other asteroids in the belt.
All right. Hey Bethany, can you take off my sunglasses? Thank you. It's really hard to video something. Yeah, when you have sunglasses on. The real sun is hurting my eyes.
The real sun.
Looking at the real sun will hurt your eyes. If you didn't already know that, then I'm sorry. If you tried to prove him wrong like that one guy did a long, long time ago, you'll end up like that guy. Blind and without a cause. Hey look, it's Bethany. Wait, no. Riley! I'm sorry.
And here we reach the end of our solar system with Neptune, which is 5.3 millimeters wide and 533.75 meters from our sun. It is, if all the planets were in a straight line, which they're not, it'd be 193.2 meters from the nearest planet. And if we were to decide to go all the way to Pluto, which is no longer a planet, we would probably have to pass Maverick over there. And this is the end of our system.
That's all for now, folks.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da.
Alright, we are done. That's right.